Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean injectors. I'm specifically cleaning the injectors on my Evo 8. The car actually has ID 1000s. The reason I'm cleaning them is because I believe the cylinder 1 injector is clogged. So how I'm going to be doing this is with carburetor cleaner. And I went to AutoZone and I got different size vacuum lines and a fuel line to go over the injector. This one will go over the injector, and then this one is a little smaller, so it goes inside of it, and then it leads down to the carb clean nozzle. So to connect all these, I'm going to be using different sizes of heat shrink wrap. I got that at Harbor Freight. It was around $5. So to connect them, pretty much, since this is really small, the carb clean one, you just put the small heat shrink on it and just keep building it up so it fits snug into this one. And now to connect them, you're going to put a piece of shrink wrap over it, and then you're going to heat it up and that will form a seal. And you're going to do that with all the pieces. Like this one, I'm going to have to put some heat shrink on to make the diameter bigger so it fits better in this, and then it's just going to go like that. And then I'm going to put a hose clamp on here, so I'll show you once that's all done. We connected all the hoses and stuff, and now we have the hose on the injector. We connected the power and the ground lead to the injector. Now we have the can hooked up. So to get pressure in the line, you just tap the carb clean thing, and then you want to tap the lead onto power. You want to tap it, not hold it, because when an injector is actually firing, there's not constant power to it, it's just little jolts of power. So this is what we're going to be doing for all 4 of the injectors. And we'll let you know if we find anything. Knew you were pushing it too much, right? Alright, so after you cleaned all 4 injectors, or however many injectors your car has, you can begin to just put them back in, and that's how you clean your dirty fuel injectors.